Welcome to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. I'm your guide to explore the best places in Switzerland. Today we'll be embarking on a virtual journey to the heart of Europe, showcasing the top 10 must-visit spots in Switzerland. From towering Alpine peaks to serene lakes, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and switch on those notifications to keep up with our latest travel updates. And hey, don't be shy. Share your own travel experiences and tips in the comments. Stay tuned for an exciting journey through Switzerland's most captivating destinations. To begin your Swiss adventure, it's essential to understand the country's climate. Switzerland boasts a diverse climate, thanks to its varied topography. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland experiences 4 distinct seasons. During the winter, from December to February, you can expect chilly temperatures, especially in the Alpine regions where it's perfect for skiing and snowboarding. The cities, however, remain relatively mild. Spring, from March to May, sees the country thawing out with flowers blooming and temperatures rising. It's a lovely time for hiking and exploring the countryside. Summer, from June to August, is warm but not excessively hot, ideal for outdoor activities and lake swims. Autumn, from September to November, offers crisp air and stunning fall foliage, especially in the vineyards and forests. Rainfall is spread fairly evenly throughout the year, with a slight peak in summer. Being prepared for the weather will make your Swiss adventure even more enjoyable. Now that you're all packed and ready, it's time to explore Switzerland's top 10 must-see locations. Let's start with Lucerne, a picturesque city brimming with history, nestled by a lake and surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Its medieval architecture and charming old town will transport you back in time. Next up, we have the stunning Lake Geneva, one of the largest in Europe. Straddling the French-Swiss border, it's surrounded by vineyards and overlooked by snowy peaks. Be sure to take a boat tour or simply relax by its tranquil waters. Thirdly, we have the Swiss National Park, a paradise for nature lovers. It's home to an array of wildlife and offers numerous hiking trails through its breathtaking landscapes. The fourth must-see place is the Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. Feel the mist on your face and marvel at the thundering power of nature. Next, we take you to the heart of the Swiss Alps, to Jungfraujoch. This Alpine Wonderland is a hiker's dream, with its stunning trails and panoramic views. At number 6, we have Zurich, the country's largest city. It's a vibrant mix of modern and traditional, with its bustling shopping streets, historic old town and thriving art scene. Our 7th stop is the charming city of Bern, the Swiss capital. Its medieval city centre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, filled with fountains, clock towers and cobbled streets. Next, at number 8, we have Geneva, a city of peace and diplomacy. Don't miss the Jet d'Eau, one of the world's tallest water fountains, and the Palace of Nations, home to the United Nations. Our 9th must-see place is the Matterhorn, an iconic symbol of Switzerland. This pyramid-shaped colossus is one of the highest peaks in the Alps. Finally, rounding off our top 10 is the Chillon Castle, an architectural jewel located on the shores of Lake Geneva. This historic fortress offers stunning views and a glimpse into the past. These are just a few of the many wonders that Switzerland has to offer. Make sure to include them in your travel itinerary. As we wrap up our virtual tour of Switzerland, let's revisit the highlights of today's journey. We've dived into the diversity of the climate, savoring the snowy peaks and the sun-kissed valleys. We've indulged in the rich flavors of local dishes and gotten a grasp of the local currency. We've discovered the perfect time to visit, the vibrant festivals and celebrations, and the top 10 places that simply cannot be missed. We've also shared budget-friendly stay recommendations, important safety measures, and some cultural pointers to respect during your visit. And of course, we've let you in on some insider tips to get the very most out of your Swiss adventure. So, start planning, pack your bags, and remember these tips and tricks for a memorable trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel insights and adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Switzerland. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Safe travels and see you in the next video.